Hello students. Now write present sir in the chat box. Those who have written already, Pooja, Sandeep, Kiran, Prathamesh. Again write it. Yeah, your message did not got recorded. Pooja, Sandeep, Kiran and Prathamesh. From Shubham onwards it is recorded. So you write it once again. Okay, so today it will be last lecture for first module, and you have a session also at 2:15 of financial planning or yeah something related to that. क्या है exactly? Yeah, नहीं वही financial planning जैसे कुछ है. Okay, so kindly attend that session. ठीक है, even I'll be there. देखते हैं 1 hour में what is financial fitness? Financial fitness है. ठीक है, so देखते हैं कैसा है. And well, one last part was remaining from my side, and that was creative problem solving. And apart from that, I had promised that the people who have taken those four, and anyways, all four companies were taken, and I hope you are prepared today with a small presentation of yours for those four companies: Yahoo, BlackBerry, Kodak, and Yahoo, BlackBerry, Kodak. Yeah, and one more was there.
Xerox.
Xerox. Sanjana, ना? Xerox to get. ठीक है. So, what shall we do? Shall I start or shall you want to start? ये कहाँ है? Shubham is there. Shubham, हाँ Shubham है. Rohini is there. Sanjana is there. Okay, और कौन था? गजानन. गजानन is not there. ठीक है, तुम लोग ही बताओ. पूनम, या सॉरी, शुभम, रोहिणी. What shall we do? Shall I teach for a few minutes, then you will start, or you will start now?
So however you want.
अरे मैं तुमको पूछ रहा हूँ, तुम मेरे को बोल रहा है. ठीक है रोहिणी. अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं तो you start. Okay, you take. Then in the end when people are bored, I'll bore them a lot. ठीक है, मैं लास्ट में जब लोग थक जाते तब मैं बताता हूँ. ठीक है, तो ये फर्स्ट वाला कौन सा था? Kodak. Kodak, who has taken?
Sir Sanjana.
Sanjana. Can you start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know right how to do it, how to share the screen.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है, then we'll begin. Click on present now, share the screen, share your PPT and start your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Click on play. Yes. Yeah, start. Yeah, Sanjana, I can see yours PPT.
Sir, it is visible.
Yeah, it's visible, and I can hear you as well. You can start.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. Here to present failure of Kodak in Indian market. I think we all remember in our childhood days, our parents used to click our pictures and get them all developed and save them in album for revealing the moments. Let's reveal the company with this presentation. We begin with the introduction. Kodak was founded in late 1880s by George Eastman in Rochester, New York, and also set up centers in Canada, Mexico, Germany, France, UK, and USA. Some of its products includes Kodak Chrome, Kodak Instamatic cameras, cartridge loading films, digital cameras as well. It was the well-known foundation for almost 100 years. It was in a film photography and well known for its innovation in market. The best products of Kodak are consumer computer printer, commercial printer, printer paper, film camera, photography film, medical diagnostic equipments, and slide projector. The the performance of Kodak was film camera were introduced and made people aware of it through various sources like local partners, guest posters, pamphlets, and hold events. The Kodak was easy to operate by common people, and digital cameras were brought in the market with a new innovation. Why Kodak failed? The main problem was it was started 1975 when Kodak engineer Steve Sasson designed the first digital camera presented to manager. The feedback was it is a filmless camera. We do not need market it. As they were satisfied with the film photography business. This was the biggest opportunity Kodak was missed, and in further few years, Sony took more advantage and launched its first digital camera in the year 1981. This made the Kodak this made the Kodak company realize that they have missed the opportunity, and the digital camera have a potential and the capability to capture their film photography market. Even they were manufacturing film photography. They were not able to properly compete with the Fujifilm market. After the Sony launched their digital cameras, the sales of Kodak company started declining. After the decade 1991, Sony launched then digital cameras, not able to compete with the market. The Kodak the Kodak their digital cameras not able to compete in the market through January 2012. The big name went bankrupt with the totaling debt 46,905 crore rupees. The competitors of Kodak. The sum of the competitors at that time were HP in the inkjet and printer market, and Kodak Fujifilm used to create to make cartridges, and it was the biggest competitor to Kodak. Sony and Canon were in a digital marketing segment, which were biggest competitor to the Kodak. The turning point of Kodak. There were basically two phases which we saw the decline in which a Kodak company. Phase one is photography going digital. In 1980s, the trend moves to digitalization and launching digital cameras. So the Kodak should have made uh, mo- logical move into the digital market. Instead, it went to the different segment known as that printer, and it moved to making printers available to people, which was not good step forward, and it led to the decline in the sales. The second phase is photography going from digital to social. In the year 2001, smartphone took the world by storm, and the digital cameras producers saw that the sales were quickly spiraling down. They moved market to social media, and Kodak was instead going Facebook and Instagram way, went to acquiring a company called Photo and encouraged people to get more digital pictures printed, and that was the not a good move for them and let down fall the sales of Kodak. The market strategy of Kodak. The Kodak strategy follows the razor blade business model, where an item is sold lower price or given away free in order to increase the sales volume of the complementary goods as a consumer supply. For example, the price of printers were high as a competitor to the high compared to the competitor, but the price of ink cartridges kept low at that time in 1982. A very campaign run by Kodak featuring the children and women operating the camera with the tagline, "You press the button, we do the rest." The SWOT analysis of Kodak. The Kodak's strength are brand recognition and worldwide distribution network. The weaknesses are growth without direction and bankruptcy become its dominant. Opportunity are expand core business, wide product range, and threats are instance competition in the market, raise up digital space. There are three reasons for failure of there are mainly three reasons for failure of Kodak. First reason is the failure to adopt the new technology and disruptive innovation. So Kodak lost its advantage to maintain a leading position in the digital emerging technology uh, technology because Kodak unwillingness to change the efficient ability to make and sell the film photography technology in the new market. And the last is it is a last it is its lack of integration between external and internal market. So there was outsourcing management failed to achieve their integration and external knowledge with the own internal knowledge. So uh, So at last conclude this presentation to compete a dynamic digital environment, company should not rely only one product. The company should adopt the changing environment. Otherwise, the other competitors took the first advantage. The second is the Kodak clearly shows that no matter how good the products are, it cannot be future proof. After existing the camera market 2012, Kodak shifted focus on printing segment. Since the world has been driven by a technology, the company constantly needs to innovate and develop the ideas. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. I liked your presentation. I especially, though this presentation gives an idea that creativity is important and we need to change as the technology changes. But I like your that slide turning point well. Okay, in that even I didn't knew that when the camera phones, the cameras which were developing the film, when they were going out of the market and digital cameras were coming in place. See, I just knew that digital camera replaced the old cameras and Kodak didn't adopted that and they went out of the market. But one thing new I could find here is the Kodak realized that digital camera is coming up, and so they shifted their business into printing. Okay, printing of the cameras, and they stress the customers that you print your photographs. Okay, so that blunder they did, and that was a very wrong kind of a marketing or kind of a business decision which the Kodak took. Okay, दो blunder कर दिया. एक तो they didn't adopt the digital camera immediately. Okay, because there was a reason actually behind it. So the reason was they had too many chemical engineers and too much of investment was already made into manufacturing of the films and the the basically the technology of the old cameras, or what was there in that technology. They had invested a huge amount in that, and huge manpower was there, so it was difficult for them to migrate into digital camera. But one thing I liked is, you mentioned about that printing wala part bhi. So they shifted on the printing. So company needs to focus on where they are excellent into. सबसे अच्छे किस में वो लोग, okay, and they should try to do a proper research. In research methodology, you might be studying that. You should do a correct and proper research, that what exactly consumers want. Again, that code, as she mentioned, Kodak was stressing on the consumers that you print your films. ठीक है, print करो. ठीक है, जो भी photographs है. The consumer didn't want it to print. ठीक है, they were happy enough to keep a soft copy of their photo on their mobile phones as well. And also, one more point she said, that mobile phones with cameras were coming in the market, and Kodak didn't adopted that. But Sony had phones, and so they were using their own camera technology into their Sony phones as well. But Kodak didn't had anything. So Kodak later on got merged with some company for their camera, which are fitted on phones, but that didn't lasted long. So this is how a non-creative company can, a biggest of bigger company can fail because of non-creativity and not adopting to the changes in the market. ठीक है, सही था, गुड वन. अच्छा चलो, अच्छा नेक्स्ट कौन है? हु इज नेक्स्ट? कोडैक के बाद क्या है? याहू. Who has taken Yahoo? हाँ रोहिणी, चलो प्रेजेंट स्क्रीन एंड स्टार्ट. Yes, I can see your screen. Go to your present your screen and then minimize and then open the PPT so that I can see. By the time she connects, actually creativity ka one more thing I wanted to share is, when you are being creative, okay, and you're making some product, okay, then at that time, yeah, Rohini, we can hear you. You can just share the screen and switch on the PPT.
So now screen is visible?
No, screen is not visible. Click on present now or share. मोबाइल में क्या आता है? क्या आता है? Yeah, by the time she connects, so creativity in every step, you need to keep on doing. Yeah, now the screen is visible. Yeah, your PPT is also. Yeah, it's visible. Everything is visible. You're audible. You can start.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present on Yahoo. About the company. Yahoo is an American web service provider headquartered in Sunnyvale, California, and is owned by Verizon Media. It is founded in January 1994 by Jerry Yang and David Filo. It is independent from 1994 to 2007. Then in 2007, it is merged with AOL, originally named as America Original, and is after merging, it is named as Oath. In 2019, it is purchased by Verizon Media. It provides web portal, Yahoo Search, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Sports, My Yahoo, Yahoo Maps, Yahoo Mobile Services, and related services. Services offered by Yahoo, Yahoo Mail. The electronic mail, Yahoo Mail is also called as Ymail. Electronic mail offered by the Google. It provides 4 different mail plans. 3 for personal use. Those are basic plus ad free. And fourth one is for the business purpose. Yahoo Search. It is the third largest search engine in US after Google and Bing. And Yahoo News, where the news articles are aggregated, and before it is one feature is added, adding comment feature is added. Now it is removed from the Yahoo News because of some glitches. And Yahoo Maps provide local weather information and local search maps. It considers the coders and web developers embedded the Yahoo Maps into their web pages through its developer API. And Yahoo Finance. It is the largest business news website in US. It, in terms of monthly traffic, provides news related to stock, sales, and financial reports, press release, and even offer online tools for the personal financial management. Why did Yahoo fail? Before that, Yahoo were at the peak before 1998 when Larry Page and Sergey Brin were offered their Yahoo rejected their offer. They fall down. Why did Yahoo fail? There are 7 reasons for downfall of Yahoo. Unfair acquisition. Yahoo invested money. Yahoo invested money in acquiring companies like Tumblr, Flickr, Broadcast.com, Right Media, GeoCities that gave them opposite results from its expectation. Yahoo missed many great opportunities. There are various opportunities in front of Yahoo to expand its business. In 1998, Larry Page and Sergey Brin offered their revolutionary search engine algorithm to Yahoo for the amount of $1 million, but Yahoo failed to gauge its business, to expand business, and it refused to its biggest competitor. Third one is lack of real vision. Yahoo never thought of building its own website. It refused to Google for $3 billion in 2002. It thought that it is overvalued, the value is unfair. But while it in 1998 it accepted for GeoCities and Broadcast.com for $3.6 billion and $5.7 billion. And fourth one is appointment of wrong CEO. In 2001, Yahoo appointed Terry Semel as the CEO, who had strong background but not much aware of the future internet world. And fifth one is the mismanagement of Flickr and Tumblr. Yahoo failed to manage the Flickr and Tumblr. In 2005, purchased Flickr. Flickr was planning to turn photo sharing site into the social network, but Yahoo did not pay for it. In 2013, it purchased the Tumblr. It is a blogging site. It purchased Tumblr for $1.1 billion, but failed to extract the profit out of it. And sixth one is failing to buy Facebook. In 2006, it attempted to buy the Facebook for $1 billion, but Facebook accepted the offer for $1.1 billion. And Yahoo thought that it is the value is unfair, so it missed that golden opportunity. And the current valuation of FB is $140 billion. And seventh one is rejection of Microsoft proposal. In 2008, Microsoft proposes Yahoo for $44.6 billion, but the Yahoo did not accepted that offer too. So because of these reasons, Yahoo had failed. By this, I will conclude that winning rivalries doesn't say that the future will be yours. You have to keep yourself up to date to the current scenarios to keep you ahead. Having a huge customer base doesn't mean that they will always be connected to you, but they are connected to you because you are offering them something different. If Yahoo had focused on its goal and understood it well, it would have become the king of web world. But Google focused on that on the race. When Yahoo failed in 1998, when it rejected Larry Page and Sergey, and Yahoo and Google both appointed they changed their CEO at same time, but Google chose the CEO in Google chose the correct CEO, so Yahoo downfall. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rohini. Nice one, huh? Why did Yahoo fail? रुको इधर ही रुको. Why did Yahoo fail? Go back to your previous slide. ठीक है. I liked the way she mentioned how what was the reason for failing of Yahoo. Okay, very well described. And many things are included in this, not just creativity. The last thing which she said about in the conclusion, that you will, as a company, you might have a huge customer base, but that doesn't mean that customer will stay with you and will not go to another company. Customers are not loyal like that. Okay, I remember when when we used to make email IDs during our school days, ठीक है, higher semesters में 8, 9, 10 standard में we had many a times 2004, 5, 6 में generally we used to make email IDs. At that time Yahoo was so famous कि Yahoo का ID रहना ही is like मतलब एक kind of अरे हाँ तेरा Yahoo का ID है करके ऐसे yahoomail.com और ymail था, बाद में Yahoo Mail हो गया था. तो Yahoo का ID रहना ही, that was a kind of a what do you say, a kind of a prestige issue. ठीक है. Gmail का तो नाम ही अच्छा नहीं लगता था, gmail.com ये कैसा है करके. And the one thing I remember, one more thing from Yahoo is within 3 months, if you don't log in into your ID used to get expire, Yahoo ka ID. Okay, but the major blunder which from this I got to know is not just creativity, but the person who you are appointing us as a CEO, he should be perfect. He should have the knowledge, and for that matter, not just CEO, for every employee when you are hiring, those who are going into HR, every employee you are hiring, you need to check whether his understanding, his knowledge is in line with your company's understanding and company's planning. ठीक है, वो उसके साथ साथ रहना चाहिए. उसका दिमाग में जो चल रहा है, जो करना है कंपनी में, it should be in line with that. And mismanagement of many of Flickr, Tumblr, and failing to buy Facebook, ये सब जो decisions है ना, mismanagement है ना, ये सब जो higher authorities है, CEO and all those people, when they take wrong decisions, that's the reason the company can fail tremendously. एक और एग्जाम्पल था टाटा का भी. व्हेन रतन टाटा वाज एक्सीलेंट सीईओ, ओके, व्हेन ही रिजाइंड एंड साइरस मिस्त्री केम इन, साइरस मिस्त्री की वजह से मेनी ऑफ द companies who were with Tata, they got disconnected. Like Docomo के साथ में झगड़ा हो गया, they went then there was mismanagement in Tata Steel and Tata Motors. Maybe there was not good innovation. So because of the wrong CEO selection, this can fail. And many a times luck also comes in Yahoo. They failed to buy Facebook. So जो 1 billion का valuation था as per Yahoo, and Facebook told 1.1 billion. ठीक है, 0.1 billion की वजह से Yahoo didn't buy it. So as I told you, passion, ego, and your complaint. From these three things, innovation can come. From these three things, you can fail in the market as well. Because of ego, might be because of maybe passion that we should continue with our business, why we should go and buy. ऐसे करके भी हम लोग फेल हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, so good one, Yahoo का. So imagine now you have Google, right? So जैसा Google है ना, उससे बड़ा था Yahoo at some point of time. ठीक है, maybe 15 years back when we didn't knew Google much. ठीक है, so that's it. Thank you, Rohini. चलो अभी next जल्दी से start करते हैं. The next one is about Xerox. ठीक है, who has taken Xerox? Rohini, you can stop presenting.
Shubham sir.
हाँ, शुभम. All this because मैं बताता तुम इतना मजा नहीं आता था. तुम लोग ने सर्च किया, तुम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया, तो some things which I cannot search, you can search it properly and you can present it very well.
So my screen is
Shubham,
visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Just click on that. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you can start.
Sir, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you're audible as well as your screen is visible. You can start.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Shubham. My presentation topic is on Xerox. Under the presence of Faiz sir, subject is entrepreneurship and legal aspect. So, following are the topics to be covered under this presentation. About the company, best product and services of the company, performance when they were in the market leader, and the last one is why they failed. So, with the introduction of the company, Xerox Holding Corporation is an American corporation that sells print and digital document products and services in more than 160 countries. So, the Xerox Holding Company founder is Joseph C. Wilson, founded in 18th April 1906. Headquarters is in Norwalk, United States, America. The CEO is John Argentine, and this company registered under New York Stock Exchange. So best products and services of the company is printers. That is office laser printers, multifunctional means all-in-one printers, scanners, digital sheets, and that is fed printing presses, and paper and specialty media, projectors, wide format printers, and other office equipments. These are the best products of the Xerox company. And then performance when they were in the market leaders. So benchmarking model, annual growth of earning, focusing on quality meeting, leadership position almost 9 consecutive years according to MPS. So performance of the Xerox company. Xerox developed its own benchmarking model under 5 stages. That is planning, analysis, integration, action, and maturity. This part is clearly explained in next slide. So at that time, they were the leaders in market. The annual sales growth exceeded 25% from year 1946 to 73 in plain paper copier business. Annual growth of their earning exceeds 35% in the same period. The copying equipment business achieved the growth from 20 million in 1959 to 9.5 billion in 1965, just within 6 years. Their main focus is on quality meeting. Whatever they improve, all through the quality meeting. And the Xerox earns leadership position almost 9 years consecutively, according to Managed Print Services, and that is MPS. Then the what is benchmarking model? The benchmarking model includes 5 stages. That is planning. Planning is that identify the best relative practice, develop appropriate data, then analysis and analyze the strength of the competitors. Compare its performance with other competitors. Then integration. Integration is that communicate the target and planning across the organization. And is that which the model is based with the organization or not. Then the last part is why Xerox failed. Why Xerox failed? There are so many reasons, but I choose the following. Major downfall in 1981 because they introduced a Xerox because Xerox Alto is introduced and Xerox lose their technological advantages. So why Xerox fails? The major downfall came in 1981. They introduced a Xerox Star, a workstation. The workstation produced with the sole purpose of managing documents. It was placed in market at the price of $16,000. But from the other hand, it compared to IBM's PC for business that was selling $1,600. So that was the, I think, first big loss for Xerox. The second one, Xerox falls into a tricky situations. That is innovation. So all of you know that innovation is the definitely most important, especially for a company. But Xerox skipped innovation and just went straight to being a complete different company. That was the major mistake. Then Xerox Alto fails. Xerox's own personal computer, the Alto, was a commercial flop. In front of Apple's Macintosh become a legendary success in market. Then the last reason, they lose their technological advantage. The problem was again the Xerox Star. It was too expensive. That's why the Xerox lose their technological advantages. So this is about my today's presentation. Thank you.
Shubham, make a second. Go back.
Wait, sir.
Yeah, go to that fourth. Why Xerox failed? In that, can you explain again Xerox Star? What was the blunder?
So which one?
Xerox Star, first one.
So Xerox Star is a workstation produced with the sole purpose of managing documents.
Oh, okay. So that was very costly as compared to the
Yes,
Macintosh
that is very costly.
from Apple.
And other hands are IBM PC business, and those are selling in low cost. So it was the main reason.
Okay. And what is Xerox Alto?
So Xerox Alto is a Xerox's own personal computer.
Okay. So why it didn't click? Xerox का खुद का computer.
So because Apple's Macintosh become famous in market, so they didn't overtake it.
Okay. And one more thing is to add on this, Xerox का है ना, there is a movie, but that is very not good movie to watch. Pirates of Silicon Valley. There are very vulgar things and vulgar words there. Okay, but in that movie, I have seen that movie. In that, Xerox had developed a kind of a mouse which we use nowadays. Mouse जो है, and the team which had developed that mouse in the Xerox itself, a kind of entrepreneurs we can call them. Entrepreneurs जैसे एक team था. One team had developed that mouse. Okay, when they showed it to the board of directors of Xerox, and the board of directors just saw that a small and it was called as a mouse, so they all started laughing. ये mouse हम लोग बनाएंगे Xerox, we are such a big company. Again, ego came into being. Then that technological advancement, what they had made, that got leaked out to Apple. Then Steve Jobs recognized that this has a huge potential because if you try to use laptop without mouse, okay, it will be very difficult for you to open any file and do copy and pasting of any file. It will be very difficult because tab use करके ऊपर जाना नीचे जाना करके. Then Xerox had manufactured that mouse, so Apple bought that mouse. वो team के पास में गया and they searched everything. They asked them everything and how Apple copied the idea of mouse from the team of Xerox. That is excellent. The way it is shown in the movie is excellent. So ये भी एक और चीज था. Xerox didn't adopt it to the new tech. They didn't had a vision. In the Rohini's slide she was mentioning, Yahoo lacked vision. So same way Xerox also lacked vision. Okay, और ये जो दो चीज था ना, मेरे को पता नहीं Xerox ने कंप्यूटर भी बनाया था अपना, Xerox Alto के नाम का. Xerox Alto ना कंप्यूटर. हाँ, Xerox Alto नाम का.
मिला था उसमें, वहाँ से मैं रेफरेंस किया हूँ.
क्या
मुझे केस स्टडी मिला था सर गूगल पे.
हाँ, ओके.
उसमें से मैं रेफर किया था.
जनरली ये केस स्टडी भी अच्छा ऑप्शन है. नहीं तो और एक ऑप्शन क्या है पता है, वीडियो देख लेने का. बिकॉज मेरे को रीड करना मेरे को बहुत बोर होता है. तो जनरली आई सर्च फॉर वीडियोस, व्हाई दीज कंपनीज फेल्ड एंड व्हाई दिस. देयर आर मेनी वीडियोस. सीएनबीसी करके एक चैनल है, यूट्यूब चैनल है. So on that, they have a list of playlist है उसमें. तो why Domino's failed, why in India, why McDonald's failed in Iceland. Once I discussed, I guess McDonald's failed क्यों हुआ था. Then why Blockbuster failed, why this failed, why that failed, Dunkin' Donuts क्यों नहीं आया. So उसमें है. तो you just go through that, because when you go through why companies failed, then you realize कि what was the mistake they did. तो क्या मिस्टेक कर सकते. तो when you go into company or when you are doing a job, that same mistake should not be repeated. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि your mistake should not be repeated, learn from others mistakes as well. तो उसके लिए ये थोड़ा सा दिया था मैं टॉपिक. But it's good one. And also Shubham, देख भी सकता है videos. Doing a research on case study is very well. ठीक है, वो मेरे को बोर होता है करके मैं नहीं पढ़ता, बट अच्छी बात है तेरे को पढ़ने का इंटरेस्ट है, सो वीडियोस देख लिया तो भी और एक शॉर्टकट है, ठीक है. सो एनीवेज गुड वन. देन नाउ यू कैन लॉग आउट, सॉरी लॉग आउट नहीं, यू कैन स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. ठीक है, गजानन इज देयर? या गजानन, you can start.
Yes, sir.
And one thing I forgot to mention, one of your student had messaged me that she liked it, TVF Pictures करके. I'll just write it in the chat box. TVF PITCHERS. TVF Pictures करके there is a web series, ठीक है, very old web series. जब web series करके किसी को पता नहीं था, वो जमाने का web series है ये. You can watch it. It is on a startup. Okay, just a small, but don't watch it. It has some use of vulgar words, so don't watch it where your parents can see it. But just dekh lo ek baar. Okay, you will enjoy it. It's entertaining and a kind of how four friends start. I don't remember who has seen, but one of your classmates has seen and messaged me. That's the reason I remembered it today. Okay, chalo. Anyways, Gajan, you can start.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you're audible and visible as well.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Hello, everyone. I have a presentation based on BlackBerry company. The contents of my presentation will include about the company, best products by BlackBerry, performance of BlackBerry as a market leader, and the reason why they failed, and the short conclusion which I felt to give regarding the BlackBerry company. First, regarding BlackBerry, it was originally known as Research in Motion. This was the name, name. Later on, it was changed to BlackBerry. The company was founded in 1984 in Waterloo, Canada, where currently headquarters is been located. The current CEO of BlackBerry is John S. Chen from 2013 onwards. BlackBerry was running its business mainly into the smartphone and tablets. These were the best products of the BlackBerry. From starting, BlackBerry Priv is the latest edition, and last version, that is BlackBerry Bold, is the oldest version. So this is in the ascending order with the time period. These were the best products of the BlackBerry. First was BlackBerry Priv, Key 2, Motion, Evolve X, Passport, Z10, Q5, and Bold. Bold, Q5, these were the phones which came with the keypad, QWERTY keypad. Z10 was the first full touchscreen capability phone which was launched by the BlackBerry. Here onwards, the BlackBerry started its journey with the full touchscreen mobile phones. So Z10 was the first. After that came Z30. Then Passport was launched, which was having both touchscreen as well as the keypad. So even Evolve X came, Motion came, Key 2 and Priv also came. So this was the main evolution of the BlackBerry phones. In 2011, BlackBerry Bold was launched, and it was mainly known for its QWERTY keypad. This was the trend which was going on at that time. In 2013, Z10 was launched, which was having complete full screen touch capability. After that, in 2014, the Passport was launched, which was having both features, the touchscreen plus the QWERTY keypad. In 2015, the recent phone of BlackBerry is the Priv. So Priv is having both touchscreen as well as the keypad. The touchscreen has the slider option. You can just slide it above. And best part about the Priv will be in the whole keypad, the QWERTY keypad which we have below. The physical keypad is having the cursor option, like it is touch sensitive. So if you want to scroll down, up, left, right, you can simply scroll it through your keypad itself. So it is much more easier for people who are interested in typing, writing, blogging, or editing stuff. The main performance of BlackBerry as being the market leader with the brand. Many people used to believe BlackBerry was a prestigious brand because it has given very good finishing. The look of the BlackBerry smartphones was very good. Apart from that, the features which was given by BlackBerry was amazing. It was even the prestige and status symbol. Next thing, BlackBerry was loved by people for its QWERTY keypad. So this was the first phone in which people were able to type faster than any other phone. It had the huge set of keywords known as QWERTY keypad. Again, it had the trusted BlackBerry World. BlackBerry World is a Play Store of BlackBerry. Right now in Android, we are using the Play Store. So in BlackBerry phone, we had the BlackBerry World. I have mentioned it as trusted BlackBerry world because people were not having access to all the applications in this BlackBerry world. Only selected applications were available in this, which were already approved by BlackBerry itself. The main reason of this was to stop the issue of like performance and even the security issue. As BlackBerry, everybody knows it has the best security as compared to any other phone. Even at the time when BlackBerry was rolling in the market, even Apple was not able to give the security as compared to BlackBerry. I think few people might be aware that Barack Obama, we had a news which stated Barack Obama, when he was president, he himself was using the BlackBerry smartphone due to the security features. And apart from this, there were other interesting features. BlackBerry Messenger. This was the first messenger launched by any smartphone at that time, which was launched by the BlackBerry known as BlackBerry Messenger. Even BlackBerry Hub was launched by the BlackBerry, in which right now in Android we have the notification bar, but after watching the notification, it gets vanished. So BlackBerry Hub, there was a small compartment, small feature in which all the notification used to be stored regarding everything. Your mail used to be stored, messages, calls, everything for near about 2 to 3 months. If we feel the notification is not important, then we had the option to delete it. So this was the option in the BlackBerry Hub. BlackBerry Hub used to give all the details about the phone which was updated. Like regarding news, if you have any news application, it used to come in the BlackBerry Hub. Apart from that, any other features, all the updates used to come in the BlackBerry Hub. The camera quality of BlackBerry was also amazing. Right now, everybody might be aware that Apple doesn't turn behind the megapixel, it turns behind the lens which it is using. That is the reason Apple is having the best camera as compared to other phones. We have Android phones, they are having huge megapixels, but they don't give that clarity as compared to the iPhones. So even BlackBerry was one of those which was focusing on the lenses. BlackBerry was using lens made by the Sony, which was giving the amazing picture quality and realistic view. So these were the few features by BlackBerry. Again, after this, there is the BlackBerry operating system, which was in the BlackBerry phones. They had their own operating system, as we know, which was the smoothest working operating system. In Android, we face so much of lag and so much of issues due to over applications which are not taken care by the processor. BlackBerry World, which was the Play Store of BlackBerry, had the limited applications which used to help the processor to work fine with installing all the applications. Next, the reason why the company, as we know, every company needs to evolve and they need to upgrade with the generation, with the time which we are in. So BlackBerry had their own issues in which they did not upgrade their own operating system. So first reason was no operating system upgrade. They had the BlackBerry operating system which was continued till the end. That was the reason why BlackBerry went down in the market. After that, there were limited apps in the BlackBerry world. That was the Play Store of BlackBerry. BlackBerry was mainly made for the people, like business people, all the professionals. It was not the phone for the youth or people who are much more interactive with the phone. So in this, I had used BlackBerry Z10. So I used to face problem regarding the Instagram. Only for few months we had the Instagram. After that, Instagram was removed from the BlackBerry world. Apart from that, even WhatsApp was not working as good as compared to the Android phones. Apart from this, there were many applications which were not available in BlackBerry world. So people used to feel restricted towards the application exploration in this phone. After this, restricted BlackBerry Messenger popularity until 2013. This states that BlackBerry had come with its own messenger, that was BlackBerry Messenger, but until 2013, BlackBerry didn't share this messenger with any other software, other operating system. Like iPhone was unable to operate this, and even in Android, nobody was unable to operate it. It was only meant for the BlackBerry phones only. And after BlackBerry Messenger was launched, after few years, WhatsApp Messenger was launched, which was on every platform, which took up the BlackBerry Messenger downside because till that time BlackBerry Messenger was only used by BlackBerry mobile phones, but WhatsApp was used by everybody in the iPhone, even in the Android, even BlackBerry was supporting the WhatsApp. So people lost the interest in BlackBerry Messenger and they came to the WhatsApp. After 2013, the BlackBerry Messenger came into all the other softwares as well, like Android and iPhone, but till the time it came into the market for other operating systems, it had already lost its own interest. After that, BlackBerry operating system they were using as their own operating system, and they have rejected the Android OS. This was the main reason of failure for BlackBerry. Right now, the recent model which we have seen, that was BlackBerry Priv. It is based on the Android system because BlackBerry operating system was not working well. That was the reason BlackBerry came up with the Priv, but even that didn't work well in the market because already BlackBerry had lost its own customers. After that, the BlackBerry company had failed to understand the customer needs. Every consumer has the thing like based on the generation, everybody wants to upgrade and they want to use the upgraded systems and upgraded gadgets. So even people were expecting BlackBerry to be updated and upgraded so that it will be user friendly as per the present generation. But the BlackBerry had its own issues in which software was not updated at all. Apart from this, even apps were not updated. Only the previous old applications were running only on those basic. Even BlackBerry was completely away from the youth needs. It was not a phone which was youth friendly because in this games were not working well. Even Instagram was removed. Apart from this, there are many other features which BlackBerry was not supporting as compared to the Android. As per me, the conclusion regarding the BlackBerry phones is BlackBerry would have worked well. BlackBerry would have worked well. They would have updated their own operating system, and or else they would have accepted simply the Android operating system because they were having very good build quality and very good processors. Just the thing is they lost in the operating system and even the Play Store, that was BlackBerry World. After this, even they would have understood the customer needs. If they would have understood the customer needs, they would have upgraded right from the software till the application which was available in the BlackBerry World. If this was upgraded, then obviously people would have loved it back. And even BlackBerry pricing was too high. Mainly, BlackBerry used to be launched to give a fight to the Apple phones, all the iPhones. Even Z10 was launched. It was launched to give a fight to Apple. I guess iPhone 5 was launched at that time, but due to the market, like people chose the Apple because BlackBerry was priced a little bit higher than that. And very soon, BlackBerry pricing went too low due to the market negligence. So these were the few conclusions which I feel BlackBerry would have taken care about to remain in the market. Yeah, this was the presentation. Thank you.
Yes, very well structured and explained. Two, three things. Just imagine now, like we have all the phones, all the smartphones, the same way it was for BlackBerry. When I first saw the BlackBerry Messenger, I was very thrilled कि अरे photo भी भेज सकते, audio भी भेज सकते, message भी भेज सकते, and that message will not cost anything. ठीक है, because at that time we used to have मतलब 35 rupees में 350 SMS, 50 rupees में 500 SMS, something like that. Okay, so we were very surprised when I had that BlackBerry 2011 वाला Bolt. तो मतलब मेरा नहीं था, but when I saw that BBM messaging में था, so only the other person, if he has that BBM messenger, okay, only then he can share. So it was a confined, closed space. ठीक है, जिसके पास BlackBerry है उसको ही कॉल कर सकते, जैसे उसको ही सेंड कर सकते मैसेज. तो that's, and also about OS and about the games and everything. तो BlackBerry के पास limited source था, limited team था, which can develop the softwares. So that's the reason they could not upgrade it and update the information. जैसे Android market है, अभी Play Store बोलते हैं उसको. So when Android market or Play Store we have, it is an kind of an open source. ठीक है, there is a huge kind of an industry which is getting developed or which has developed now, open source software ka. Open source software, Android, when they sold the software easily to all the companies. Generally pehle nahi hota tha aise. If Nokia is developing their own software, they had their Symbian software. Apple was using iOS, their software. BlackBerry had their own software. So each and every phone company that had their own software, but Android is kind of an open source which can be used in any phones. So that's the reason BlackBerry competition kaise ho gaya. Now you are competing with some another new entrant into the market. In strategic management, you might have studied Porter's FIFO model mein new entrant aa gaya. that entrant is not a company, but that entrant is a technology. Okay, जो open source software है. Now you can consider it as is in the growth phase of PLC. Okay, not just an introduction, growth phase में है अभी PLC के. That same thing BlackBerry missed. That same thing Nokia also missed. So you need to compete with the software, which the iOS did. iOS made sure that we are competing with the Android, okay, not BlackBerry. If you see, I'll show you the advertisement next time only, because I'll continue with the lecture next time itself. जो मेरा remaining है, because it's already 12:25. So just give me 2 minutes. Just if you imagine Apple or BlackBerry का, the way they were used to compete, I'll show you one advertisement after that. तो दोनों next lecture itself, दोनों का ऐसे competition था ना कि it's like only two mobile companies are there in the world, और वैसे compete करते थे. And BlackBerry focused on their BlackBerry Messenger और ये सब, they were having pride. And as Gajanan mentioned, वो लोग ने upgrade नहीं किया. They failed to notice that Android will capture the market. तो हम लोग को भी Android का inbuilt करना चाहिए. So that is a very tricky decision a company needs to take. Should we adopt their technology, or should we make our technology open to the world? Okay, that is a very risky decision to be made. Okay, तो वो vision होना चाहिए again CEO का. If you have seen CEOs को hire कैसे करते हैं? So first of all, that what the company is going under, what problem the company is going under, or what the vision of that company is, वो CEO का भी वो in line रहना चाहिए. And along with that, वो CEO का interview में ना उसको एक या दो ही question पूछते हैं. Okay, that you might have seen anywhere, any documentary में वो एक या दो question क्या रहता है? In your previous organization, any difficult situation you have encountered, and how you have solved that difficult situation. Problem solving कैसे किया, ठीक है? How you solved the problem, starting from how you recognized it, who were the team members who were involved in solving that problem, and how you solved it in a creative way or in an innovative way, so that your entire organization, and how you implemented that. That is also important. How you implemented your decisions, how you solved that problem, and how you implemented it, and what is the result which you got. So ये पूरा description actually एक CEO gives. ठीक है? In our kind of interview, what is this, what is that, what do you mean by this, what do you mean by that, ऐसे ही होता है. Okay, if you go for a marketing interview, what is marketing, what is 4P, how you do this, do that, ये सब रहता है. When a CEO goes for an interview, their interview is somewhat very different. Okay, so great presentation, all four of you. From all four presentation, we found out that there is a luck behind it. There is a lack of creativity which went, and there are some wrong decisions. Okay, and fail to update and fail to upgrade. ये समझा हमको. Okay, so this was all about creativity, and next class I'll complete this by creative problem solving. ये कैसे करते हैं? Just, and then we'll finish off with the first, and then I'll start with the second module also in the next class itself. ठीक है? So excellent presentation, and whenever I give presentation, I require someone else to participate next time. Okay, so great job. चलो, if anything else you can ask me. ऐसे तो नहीं रहेगा. चलो then, see you. Thank you everyone. Yes, and do watch that TVF pictures अगर time मिला तो.